Hi everyone, I hope you are having a good day today, and welcome back to Roy Mac's channel. Pokemon Go's recent update has introduced a new challenge for virtual location users, causing widespread Pokemon Go failed to detect location 12. Now, users are encountering an unable to detect current location 12 error when they attempt to alter their location. So, how can Pokemon location be spoofed using Enigo without encountering error 12? First, tools you need: TenorShare, Enigo, and PoGo Wizard. Enigo is #1 free virtual location changer for iOS and Android. Freely change GPS location to anywhere without jailbreak or root, and works with all location-based apps such as PokemonGo, Monster Hunter Now, WhatsApp, and many more. TenorShare Enigo Location Spoofer provides 3 types of virtual movement. Then, steps to successfully change PokemonGo location using Enigo and PoGo Wizard. Download and install Enigo on your computer. Click the download button below to download and install Enigo on your computer. To get PoGo app, you have to purchase Enigo. Obtain the PoGo Wizard package. You can download it PoGo on their website, or you can check the link on description. Install PoGo Wizard on your computer, log in with your Apple ID. Click Install PoGo and install the PokemonGo on your device. Wait for the installation to complete. Sign in to Apple ID. Then connect iPhone to computer and install PoGo. And please wait, PoGo is installing on your iPhone. Or you can follow the instruction on the screen. Open Enigo on your computer. You will now be able to successfully change the PokemonGo location without encountering error 12. Then you can change the location without error 12 with Enigo Location Spoofer. Launch TenorShare Enigo on your computer. The default mode is Change Location. Connect your iPhone to the computer via USB cable. Select the device to modify its GPS location. Select a location on the map. Then log in to the cracked version of Pokemon on your device. Enter the address or GPS coordinate you want to teleport to in the search box, and click Start to modify. Done. Your location will be changed at once. All location-based apps on your iPhone will be changed to the fake location as well. TenorShare Enigo Location Spoofer provides 3 types of virtual movement. Select each mode based on your need. This is useful when your location-based game like PokemonGo requires you to go outside, but you just want to stay at home. You can use single spot, multi-spot, and jump teleport on the Pokemon Go app. Freely change GPS location to anywhere without jailbreak or root. GPS joystick to flexibly control the direction of movement in games. And works with all location-based apps, such as PokemonGo, Monster Hunter Now, WhatsApp, and many more. TenorShare Enigo Location Spoofer provides 3 types of virtual movement. Select each mode based on your need. This is useful when your location-based game like PokemonGo requires you to go outside, but you just want to stay at home. With Enigo Location Changer, you can fake GPS location on iPhone or Android with only 1 click. This enables you to jump to anywhere in games without actually walking. Then, steps to successfully change PokemonGo location using Enigo and PoGo Wizard. I very recommend you to use this tool because easy to use, even beginner can use this software. You can check the link on description. I hope this video can fix the 12 error of PokemonGo on iPhone with PoGo and TenorShare Enigo. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel to get more update, and see you on the next video. Thank you.